Welcome to Health Hack, your go-to channel for all things health and wellness. Here, we dive deep into the best tips, tricks, and insights to help you live a healthier, happier life. Whether you're looking for advice on fitness, nutrition, mental well-being, or general health hacks, you're in the right place. If you're passionate about improving your health or just curious about the latest trends in wellness, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered about the true potential behind a simple blend of castor oil and baking soda? It's not just an age-old home remedy, but a powerful natural solution that can address a variety of health concerns, even those that have lingered for years. Today on Health Hack, we'll explore the unique benefits of this combination, show you how to use it effectively, and point out when it's best to avoid it. So, let's dive right in. The power of castor oil and baking soda. Castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, has long been celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. On the other hand, baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is well known for its ability to neutralize acids and reduce inflammation. When combined, these two natural ingredients create a dynamic remedy capable of addressing a wide range of conditions, from skin issues to joint pain. But let's dig deeper into some of their unique uses and see how they work together to boost each other's effectiveness. Improve skin health and healing. Castor oil is widely recognized for its ability to deeply moisturize the skin and improve the elasticity, making it a great remedy for dry skin, stretch marks, and even minor cuts. When paired with baking soda, which acts as a gentle exfoliant, this mixture helps slow off dead skin cells, encouraging the faster regeneration of new ones. Studies suggest that castor oil may even boost collagen production, reducing the appearance of scars and enhancing overall skin texture. Additionally, the antimicrobial properties of both ingredients provide protection against infections. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then apply the paste to the affected area. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. For best results, use this daily. Natural relief for joint and muscle pain. Many people rely on over-the-counter pain relievers for joint and muscle pain, but this mixture provides a natural alternative. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling, while baking soda enhances circulation and aids in the absorption of the oil into sore muscles and stiff joints. This combination is particularly helpful for those dealing with arthritis or muscle soreness after exercise. How to use. Combine equal parts of castor oil and baking soda. Gently massage the mixture onto the affected area. Then cover it with a warm cloth for about 30 minutes to promote deep absorption and relieve discomfort. Boost circulation and lymphatic drainage. One lesser-known advantage of this blend is its ability to improve blood circulation and stimulate lymphatic drainage. By encouraging the flow of lymph fluid, the body can more effectively eliminate toxins, which is especially beneficial for individuals suffering from chronic fatigue, inflammation, or poor circulation. How to use. Massage the castor oil and baking soda mixture over areas like the underarms or groin to stimulate lymphatic drainage and reduce swelling. Tackling fungal infections. Both castor oil and baking soda have antimicrobial properties that make them useful in treating fungal infections, from athlete's foot to nail fungus. Regular application of this combination can help reduce the growth of fungi and keep infections at bay. How castor oil and baking soda work together to treat fungal infections. This combination works by breaking down the protective layers of fungi, creating an environment where they cannot thrive. The natural properties of both ingredients make them highly effective at tackling infections. How to use. Mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda and apply it to the affected area. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. Repeat this process twice a day until the infection clears up. Soothe insect bites and skin irritations. Struggling with insect bites or skin irritations. This blend can help soothe the itchiness and reduce redness. Castor oil hydrates and calms the inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes the acids causing the irritation. Apply a small amount of the mixture directly to the bite or rash, letting it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing. You'll notice relief almost instantly. It's important to use high-quality castor oil and baking soda for the best results. In the video description below, you'll find my top recommendations for reliable sources. Of course, You can also purchase them from any trusted provider. Alleviating digestive issues and bloating. Castor oil is well known for its ability to stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. When combined with baking soda, which helps neutralize stomach acids and reduces bloating, this mixture becomes a potent natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Castor oil helps stimulate intestinal movement, while baking soda soothes the stomach, providing comprehensive relief from bloating, gas, or indigestion. Many people find that, as they age, natural remedies like this offer a gentler yet effective solution to these common issues. How to use. For digestive relief, take up to 5 drops of castor oil internally, but always consult a healthcare provider first. You can also apply the mixture topically by massaging it onto the abdomen, covering it with a warm cloth, and leaving it on for about 30 minutes to ease bloating and discomfort. Reducing scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration. Reducing scars and stretch marks can be challenging, but the deep penetrating qualities of castor oil, along with its ability to boost collagen production, make it an effective treatment. When combined with baking soda, which exfoliates gently and promotes the regeneration of skin cells, this mixture gradually improves the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and dark spots over time. Consistent use may lighten these areas, leaving the skin more even-toned and smoother. This is especially helpful for old scars or long-standing skin discoloration that hasn't responded well to other treatments. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Repeat this process daily to see visible improvement over time. Combating acne and oily skin. Though it may seem counterintuitive to use oil on acne-prone or oily skin, castor oil is an exception. Its fatty acids help balance the skin's natural oil production, while its antimicrobial properties combat acne-causing bacteria. Paired with baking soda, which helps unclog pores and exfoliate dead skin cells, this combination offers a powerful natural solution for managing breakouts. If you're enjoying these natural tips, make sure to subscribe to HealthHack. We share many more suggestions to improve your health and well-being. How castor oil and baking soda work together to treat fungal infections. This powerful combination works by breaking down the protective barriers of fungi, creating an environment where they cannot thrive. It's an effective remedy for various fungal infections. How to use. Mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda, then apply the mixture to the affected area. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. Repeat twice daily until the infection subsides. Soothe insect bites and skin irritations. Dealing with insect bites or skin irritation. This mixture can help soothe itching and reduce redness. Castor oil moisturizes the skin and reduces inflammation, while baking soda neutralizes the acids causing the irritation. Apply a small amount directly to the affected area. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off. Relief is almost immediate. For the best results, make sure to use high-quality ingredients. You can find my top recommendations for castor oil and baking soda in the video description below, or feel free to choose from other trusted sources. Alleviating digestive issues and bloating. Castor oil has long been valued for its ability to stimulate digestion and relieve constipation. When combined with baking soda, which neutralizes stomach acids and reduces bloating, this mixture becomes a natural remedy for digestive discomfort. Castor oil helps stimulate intestinal movement, while baking soda soothes the stomach, offering comprehensive relief. Many people, especially as they age, experience bloating, gas, or indigestion, and this natural remedy provides a gentle, effective way to manage these issues. Regular use of this mixture may even promote healthier digestion and improve bowel movements over time. How to use. For digestive relief, take up to 5 drops of castor oil internally, but always consult a healthcare provider first. You can also apply the mixture topically by massaging it into your abdomen, covering it with a warm cloth, and leaving it on for about 30 minutes to ease bloating and discomfort. Reducing scars, stretch marks, and skin discoloration. Scars and stretch marks can be challenging to reduce, but castor oil's deep penetrating qualities, along with its ability to boost collagen production, make it an effective treatment. When combined with baking soda, which exfoliates gently and encourages skin cell regeneration, this mixture can gradually improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, and dark spots. With consistent use, these areas may lighten, leaving the skin smoother and more even-toned. This is especially useful for older scars or skin discoloration that hasn't responded to other treatments. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off. Repeat daily for visible improvement over time. Combating acne and oily skin. While it may seem counterintuitive to use oil on oily or acne-prone skin, castor oil is a unique exception. Its fatty acids help balance the skin's natural oil production, while its antimicrobial properties fight the bacteria that cause acne. Paired with baking soda, which helps unclog pores and exfoliate dead skin cells, this mixture is a natural solution for clearer skin. One of the biggest advantages of this treatment is that it tackles multiple acne causes, clogged pores, excess oil, and bacteria in a single application. Over time, your skin may become clearer, less oily, and more balanced, reducing the need for harsh chemical treatments. Promoting hair and scalp health. If you're looking to improve hair growth or address scalp issues like dandruff, this combination can offer a natural solution. Castor oil nourishes hair follicles and stimulates growth, while baking soda helps exfoliate the scalp by removing dead skin cells and excess oil that can block hair follicles. This mixture not only promotes healthier hair growth, but also addresses scalp conditions like dandruff and itchiness. Hair thinning, breakage, and scalp issues are common as we age, but this remedy provides an affordable, natural way to maintain a healthy scalp and hair. How to use. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the mixture into your scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. This treatment can be used once a week to nourish the scalp and promote hair growth. Supporting lymphatic system and detoxification. One of the lesser-known benefits of using castor oil and baking soda together is their ability to support the body's natural detoxification process. Castor oil helps stimulate the lymphatic system, which is vital for flushing out toxins, while baking soda helps maintain the body's pH balance, creating a more favorable environment for detox. Applying this mixture to areas of the body where lymph nodes are concentrated can help promote better lymphatic drainage, which is particularly useful for individuals suffering from chronic inflammation, swelling, or fatigue. This treatment aids in removing toxins from the body and improving overall well-being. How to use. Apply the mixture to areas with concentrated lymph nodes such as the neck, armpits, or groin. Massage it gently into the skin for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off. Regular use can support your body's natural detox processes. Seamless integration with other treatments. If you're already using natural remedies or treatments, this mixture can easily complement your existing routine. For instance, pairing it with essential oils like lavender or tea tree oil can enhance castor oil's antimicrobial properties. Similarly, combining this treatment with a balanced diet or regular exercise can improve circulation and overall health. When used alongside a healthy lifestyle, the castor oil and baking soda mixture can be a powerful ally in your daily wellness routine. Consistency is key. Incorporating castor oil and baking soda into your self-care routine regularly can provide long-term benefits, all without the need for harsh chemicals or medications. Gentle relief for arthritis and joint stiffness. If you've been struggling with arthritis or joint stiffness, this natural remedy might be the gentle relief you've been searching for. Castor oil acts like a natural lubricant for joints, reducing inflammation, while baking soda helps boost circulation and ease stiffness. You don't have to rely solely on medications when nature provides such simple remedies. Imagine feeling a soothing warmth across your knees, elbows, or wherever pain bothers you. How to use. Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, 1 tablespoon each. Gently massage the mixture into the affected joint for 10 minutes. Cover the area with a warm towel and let it rest for 30 minutes. For best results, try doing this before bed to allow your joints to relax overnight. Rejuvenating hand and foot care. Our hands and feet endure a lot of wear and tear. With castor oil's ability to soften and moisturize dry, cracked skin, and baking soda's gentle exfoliation of calluses, this mixture feels like a spa treatment at home. It's especially beneficial for those with rough skin on their heels or knuckles. A few minutes of care a few times a week will leave your hands and feet softer and more comfortable. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage the mixture into your hands and feet, focusing on rough areas. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Softer skin. Improving nail health. Brittle, cracking nails can be frustrating as we age, but castor oil can nourish and strengthen them, reducing breakage. Don't forget your cuticles. This mixture keeps them soft and healthy too. How to use: apply a small amount of castor oil mixed with a pinch of baking soda to your nails and cuticles. Gently massage it in and leave it on for 10 minutes before washing off. Regular use will strengthen your nails and improve their appearance. Soothing tired eyes. After a long day, our eyes can feel tired and strained. This gentle castor oil and baking soda mixture helps reduce puffiness around the eyes and eases discomfort. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda. Carefully apply the mixture to your eyelids, being cautious around the eye area. Allow it to rest for a few minutes to soothe and refresh tired eyes. Incorporating these simple remedies into your routine can help you care for your body naturally, offering relief and rejuvenation without harsh chemicals. It seems like you're describing a detailed guide on using castor oil and baking soda for various natural remedies. Here's a quick summary of the key uses and applications covered in this guide. 1. Reducing fine lines and wrinkles. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply to areas with fine lines, egg, around the eyes or mouth, for 15 minutes, then rinse. Repeat a few times a week for smoother, more youthful skin. 2. Soothing sunburns. How to use: combine 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Gently apply to the sunburn area and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. This can be done daily until the sunburn heals. 3. Relieving sinus congestion. How to use: warm a mix of 1 tablespoon of castor oil and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Massage onto your forehead and sinus area for 20 minutes. Then rinse to help reduce sinus inflammation and congestion. 4. Supporting oral health. How to use: mix a small amount of baking soda and castor oil. Gently rub onto your gums with a soft toothbrush for 2 minutes before rinsing. Repeat a few times a week for healthier gums and reduced plaque buildup. 5. Alleviating cracked lips. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with a pinch of baking soda. Gently rub onto cracked lips and leave on for a few minutes before wiping off to restore softness and heal dry lips. 6. When to avoid castor oil and baking soda. Avoid if you have sensitive skin or a history of skin allergies. Perform a patch test before use to check for allergic reactions. Consult a healthcare provider if you have skin sensitivities, open wounds, or if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. If this helped, feel free to share these natural tips with friends, and take care.